Here are some fascinating information about Eurasian beaver. Eurasian beavers Castor fiber are one of two extant species of beaver, the other being the North American beaver Castor canadensis. They are the largest rodents in Eurasia. Eurasian beavers were once widespread across Europe and Asia, but due to overhunting and habitat destruction, their populations declined dramatically. Thanks to conservation efforts, Eurasian beaver populations have started to recover in some areas. Beavers are well adapted for life in aquatic environments, with webbed hind feet and a flattened, scaly tail that acts as a rudder. Their fur is dense and waterproof, keeping them warm and dry even in cold water. Beavers are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. They are herbivores, feeding on a diet mainly consisting of tree bark, leaves, twigs, and aquatic plants. Beavers are famous for their dam-building behavior, which they use to create ponds that provide them with protection from predators and access to food. The dams they build can significantly alter the landscape, creating wetlands that benefit many other species. Beavers use their sharp incisors to cut down trees, which they then use to construct their dams and lodges. The lodges they build are dome-shaped structures made of branches, mud, and grass, providing them with shelter and protection. Beavers are highly social animals, living in family groups consisting of a breeding pair and their offspring. They communicate with each other through vocalizations, such as grunts and whistles, as well as through scent marking. Beavers have excellent underwater vision and hearing, allowing them to navigate and communicate effectively in their aquatic environment. They are capable of holding their breath for up to 15 minutes underwater. Eurasian beavers have a lifespan of around 10 to 15 years in the wild. They are known for their strong family bonds, with offspring typically remaining with their parents for the first 2 years of their lives. Eurasian beavers have a distinctive musky scent, which they use for marking their territory and communicating with other beavers. Beavers are important ecosystem engineers, playing a key role in shaping and maintaining wetland habitats. Their dams help to regulate water flow, reducing the risk of flooding downstream and improving water quality. Beavers are considered a keystone species, meaning they have a disproportionately large impact on their environment relative to their abundance. Their activities create habitats that support a wide range of other wildlife, including fish, amphibians, birds, and insects. Eurasian beavers are listed as a species of least concern on the IUCN Red List, meaning they are not currently considered at risk of extinction. However, they are still protected in many countries, and conservation efforts continue to ensure their long-term survival. Beavers are excellent swimmers, capable of reaching speeds of up to 5 miles per hour 8 kilometers per hour in the water. They have a specialized valve in their nostrils and a transparent membrane that covers their eyes, allowing them to see and breathe underwater. Eurasian beavers are predominantly monogamous, with breeding pairs forming strong bonds that can last for life. Mating typically occurs between January and March, with females giving birth to a litter of 1 to 6 kids after a gestation period of around 3 months. Kids are born fully furred and with their eyes open, and they are capable of swimming within hours of birth. Eurasian beavers have a distinctive alarm call, which sounds like a loud slap of their tail on the water, alerting other members of their family to potential danger. Beavers have large, powerful front teeth that continue to grow throughout their lives, constantly worn down by gnawing on wood. Their teeth are orange due to the presence of iron, which strengthens them and makes them resistant to decay. Beavers are well adapted to cold climates, with a dense layer of fat under their skin providing insulation against the cold water. They are also capable of storing fat reserves in their tails, which can serve as a food source during the winter months. Beavers have a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from cellulose, the main component of plant cell walls. They have a large cecum, which acts as a fermentation chamber, where bacteria break down cellulose into digestible compounds. Eurasian beavers are known to be highly territorial, defending their territory from intruders through aggressive displays and scent marking. Beavers are excellent builders, with the ability to construct complex dams and lodges using only their teeth and claws. They are capable of felling trees several times their own size, using a combination of chewing and leverage. Beavers are known to modify their environment in response to changes in water levels and food availability, constantly adapting their dams and lodges to suit their needs. Eurasian beavers have been reintroduced to many areas where they were once extinct, helping to restore ecosystems and improve biodiversity. Beavers are considered a nuisance by some people, particularly those whose property is damaged by their activities. However, many communities have learned to coexist with beavers, implementing non-lethal methods of managing conflicts and protecting infrastructure. Beavers are highly intelligent animals, capable of learning and problem-solving. They have been observed using tools, such as sticks and mud, to reinforce their dams and lodges.